Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a crew in Block Fruits on Roblox. So to start with, you first want to load into Roblox, and when they ask you to choose a team, you just want to make sure you choose Pirates. If you do not choose Pirates, this will not work. So next up, you can head over to the left hand side and look for this little pirate icon here. And when you click on that, here's where we get the option to create a crew. So to start with, you need to name your crew. So what you want to do is just put in any name and make sure it's a maximum of 21 characters. So I'm just going to call mine crew for the sake of the video. And then next up, here's where we add the logo link. And what this basically means is adding a crew logo. So right here where this box is, by default, you'll have a little pirate logo, but we can actually change this to whatever we want. So if you head over to the Roblox website, I'm going to show you how we can do that right now. So to start with, you first want to be on this Roblox Creator tab. And from here, we can go to the Marketplace, which is at the top. So once we click on that, there's a few different options at the top again, but we want to select images. And then here's where we can browse different images. So it will show us a few to start with. However, if you don't like any of these, we can just go ahead and choose a new one. So what we want to do is just type in anything that we like. I've just typed in meme and it will show me all types of different memes. So let's just say I wanted to use this SpongeBob one. What I would do is go in the top right corner and click this blue button, which will download the decal to our inventory. So click on that, and as you can see, this item has been added to my inventory. So what we're going to do from here is open a new normal Roblox tab and just go over to the home page. Okay, so we're on the Roblox home now, and now what we want to do is go on the left hand side where there's a few different options, and we want to look for inventory. So go ahead and click on this one here. And then again on the left, there's a load of different categories, but one of these is called decals. So we select that, and here it will show us all of our decals. Now this is the one I just downloaded, this SpongeBob one. So we're going to click on this, and then once we've clicked on it, we just want to copy this URL right here, okay? You don't want to change anything, you don't want to look for anywhere else, you just want to copy it straight from the search bar, and you want to make sure you don't change it. So once you've done that, we can head back into Roblox and we're ready to add it to our crew logo. Okay, so I'm back inside now, and here you can see the logo link, decal link goes here, so we just Control V, paste it in, and then when we click off, our photo has now successfully been added. So we're almost ready to create our crew. Last thing we need to do is just click this create button. However, as you can see here, level 300 plus is required, so make sure you are at least level 300 to be able to create a crew. If you're not, this will not work. And as you can see here, creating a crew allows you to compete with other crews in the leaderboards for ranks, as well as the ability to show off your custom flags on boats. In addition, members of your crew will be auto-allied as soon as they join you, so you will never forget to ally them again. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to create your crew inside of Block Fruits. If you did, please comment down below to say that helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.